warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are all welcome to our guest episode in Arabic Al-Irshad Islamic Teachings. Today we are going to discuss about Al-Huruf al-Ilahiyya ma'arat al-Kasra, the pronunciation of Arabic alphabet with the Kisra sound. So what is the sound of Kasra? How do you pronounce Kasra in the sound? So we are going to learn today how to use Kasra with this Arabic alphabet. So in our next video, we are going to discuss on how to use Al-Huruf al-Ilahiyya with Kasra. So inshallah, let's start now so that it can get us clearer. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So the sound of the Kasra, as we say in the Fatiha, the sound of Kasra is E. The sound of Kasra is E. Anywhere you see Kasra, we call it out as E. As E. Let's start this. Alif. Now Bismillah. Alif Kisra E. Alif Kisra E. Ba'un Kisra B. Ba'un Kisra B. Ta'un Kisra T. Tha'un Kisra C. Jimun Kisra G. Ha'un Kisra Hi. Kha'un Kisra Qi. Dalun Kisra D. Zalun Kisra V. Ra'un Kisra Ri. Zayun Kisra Z. Sinun Kisra C. Shinun Kisra Shi. Sadun Kisra C. Dadun Kisra D. Ta'un Kisra T. Za'un Kisra Z. Ainun Kisra E. Gain Kisra G. Fa'un Kisra Fi. Qafun Kisra Ki. Kafun Kisra Ki. Lamun Kisra Li. Mimun Kisra Mi. Nunun Kisra Mi. Wawun Kisra Bi. Ha'un Kisra Hi. Lam Alif Kisra Li. Hamza Kisra I. Ya'un Kisra Yi. So I'm going to remove this Lam Alif. Lam Alif can only go with Lam Alif Fatiha La. We can say Lam Alif Kisra Li because we have Lam Alif in front of it. And then Li for it cannot be easy to call like that. So we are going to remove Lam Alif. And Lam will be standing for Lam Alif there. You say Lam Kisra Li at that point. So we're going to combine some huruf that are similar in sound and call them with the sound of Kisra. Let's look at Alif and Hamza and Ha and Ainun, Ain and How. So what are we going to call them how? You can say Alif Kisra I, the same sound with Hamza. Alif Kisra I, Hamza Kisra I. Or we join them together, we say Alif Hamza Kisra I. They give us the same sound when they are reading them. So, but this one, he, with a sound of like you voice out some you breathe out. He. While the last one is he by taking our voice. He by taking our voice. And I are going to take it a little slowly. I, and so on, and the others like raw, like Zaidu and Zal. Like I said before in our last episode, I said Zal. We are going to move our tongue and put our teeth on top of our tongue, Z, and Zain on top of it like Z. Zal Kesro Z, Zai Kesro Z. So that's how we read also like that one also, and many of it like that. So sin, as I said, is different from this one. So the one that does not ask noctor is what they call C. And the one that asks noctor, that asks dot, it's called she. So we are going to we started our own like also by writing it down and putting the Kesra there and read it out as we read it for us here. So we are expecting every one of us, may God accept us and may God accept all this our work as our ibadah and put it as our khair, and we are expecting ourselves to improve in when we are reading this type of huruf al-Hijaiya, especially when you want to read Quran or you wanted to read other aspects of Islamia or Arabic language. So this episode is going to end here, and don't forget to follow our channel to click on subscribe to our channel. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.